Hey, nice unboxing a whole bunch of new Martins today. This one is the OME Cherry. As you can see, it's the FSC. These are the sustainable woods. These are always cool models. They always do really well. They're priced really good. We got in like tons of new Martins. So. A little different case, a little different color. It's kind of a blue-gray case. Very nice. Ooh, these look nicer than they did before. Tuners are looking good.
It's a back cherry.
Very nice looking. Yep, cherry back and sides. I can't remember what all the other ones are yet. Beautiful looking. I like how they did that. Nice binding. Nice little OM. Cool rosette. Yeah. Let's keep going. We have about 20 more guitars to open up.
This thing is cool.
It is cool. It feels nice and it looks nice. It's what it is a new Martin, what they called FSC certified woods. Mm-hmm. More sustainable woods they're using on these. This is a cherry back and sides. The model is the OME Cherry. So it's an OM body shape, OM scale length. Just a neat guitar. The gold tuners, the open back gold tuners, kind of a satin finish. Looks really nice. I think it's just a great
neat
looking.
Little, a lot of nice appointments on this guitar. What's top wood?
Top is spruce.
Yeah. It's got a good volume, and we've done a number of these body styles. And the typical expectation is mid-rangey, not too much on low end. But this one, surprisingly, it's got some depth on the low end, more than I've heard on some of the others with this shape. So it's got a little bite down, a little growly.
It's a neat
guitar for this body style.
It's also got the Fishman pickup in it, and
comes ready to.
It's stage ready, great size, great body shape, and you're using woods that are more sustainable, and it's just a cool guitar. I think we should just listen to it, and then we'll get to the end, and we'll do a demo of it. I think we just opened this a little while ago upstairs.
I heard.
Pulled it out. The reaction was great. We're going to try to get some more people to play it and get some reactions. So
like I said, I'm typically more on what are my ears telling me, but my eyes are also saying this is a pretty guitar.
They're in a good price point too. So
it's really nice. Nexus of features and costs and all that.
Yeah.
So and it plays well and sounds good. Kind of important.
Cherry, new from Martin this year. And Quentin, again,
appreciate
you coming down.
You bet.
Talk to you soon. Thanks.